Magluto kami ng banana cake. Ito yung mga ingredients. Baking soda, salt, 2 eggs, fresh eggs, and then oil, sugar, white sugar, and banana, mashed banana already. That's ripe, very ripe. And then flour. And then we'll just mix everything. And then, para mabango, meron tayong vanilla extract. Yan. So, usually ito yung ginagawa namin pag may sobra kaming, sobrang banana, yung na overripe or ripe already na hindi mo na, like, you don't like to eat it anymore. So, we make a banana cake, which is
banana bread.
Banana bread. I'm sorry, banana bread.
Maybe it's a cake. I don't know. What's the difference?
And then it turns out good.
Okay. So on this bowl, this is a 1 bowl recipe I found in the internet long time ago. So on the bowl now is 1.5 cup of flour. Into it, we will add a cup of sugar.
Oh, you have to sieve it?
Because the sugar has
How do you say it?
Sift. I think so.
So this is how many cup is the flour?
1.5.
1.5 cup flour, and then 1/2 is that 1/2 cup sugar?
1 cup sugar.
1 cup sugar. 1 cup sugar.
So first you mix the dry ingredients.
Oh, mix the dry ingredients. Oh, ang galing ni bossing.
I've been doing this.
Yeah, I like it. And then masarap siya sa kape. And we got freshly brewed coffee. We got Starbucks brewed coffee, and then sometimes we have Dunkin' Donuts brewed coffee. Masarap siya. In the morning, and then snacks, and then when you're editing videos for your YouTube, like me, I ate it and with coffee.
So we are very like just normal cooks, not really like
Lutong pambahay, baking
Yeah.
pambahay. Maybe someday we can use it for business when we retire.
Huh?
Yeah, why not?
not business.
Yeah, when we retire in the Philippines, then we can use it as a business.
That's it.
Okay. And then
A teaspoon of baking powder.
teaspoon
Not baking powder.
baking soda. Teaspoon of baking. Anyway, I'll just put all the ingredients in the video.
And then a teaspoon of salt.
Teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of salt. So doing this, you can save money.
Good.
You don't have to buy bread. Which ang mga paliton karon is mahal na. So you save. You don't the banana that's overripe, you can use it.
And the thing is, you know the ingredients, right? Because there's no extender. Okay, it's only for.
I know.
Next time we should learn to put everything.
That's okay. We're just a newbie. New vloggers in a way.
In a very
Pasensya na kayo, bago lang kami nito.
So you mix the dry ingredients.
I'll mix it.
This is really, really simple. even for a baker like me. No, not really a baker. And then you put. Now you put the dry ingredients.
What?
So you need a half cup of cooking oil.
Half cup cooking oil.
So I'm using the same kuan. Ganing measuring cup kay para not many hugasan because I hate washing the dishes. Even when we have a dishwasher. So if there's a better way to do it, let us know.
Yeah, comment below.
Half a cup.
Or if you want the banana
And
bread or cake, I will send you one. Joke only.
I won't let anyone taste this other than you. Or maybe the people back home. So a cup of the mashed banana.
Cup.
So our banana is actually really, really ripe. So it's a little, there's a little left. So there's a little left. So
I just put it.
Exactly, so that's what I'm planning. So I'll just put everything in.
So that's a cup of mashed banana.
Cup of mashed banana.
Okay. Mashed bananas is mashing pumpkins.
Mashed banana and then 2 eggs.
2 eggs. Okay, watch out for the shells.
So I was told before, I've seen a show before, a baking show, that you should break the egg in a separate bowl in case it's a bad one. So there's 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
And a teaspoon of vanilla.
Vanilla extract. Maybe next time we'll put cinnamon.
You want?
I know. How does it? It tastes good or smells good, I think. Well, we'll try this one first. This is the one we used to.
We cannot be ambitious. Okay, so that's it. Then you mixed it.
You mix it. Okay, try
So no butter. Instead of butter, it's oil, cooking oil. And
because
for
butter
us,
is too cholesterol, fatty. And that's it.
so for the oil, what we use at home is canola.
Canola oil, yeah. But they can use any oil, right?
Maybe
It depends on your their
preference. But I was told, I mean, from baking, that you should use an oil that's kind of neutral for this. What's that over here? So basically, that's it.
That's it.
And then you don't overmix kay magahi. So just enough na mix ang ingredients. Okay. Yeah, the oven is already.
You preheat already the oven, huh?
Yeah, 315 degrees
315.
Fahrenheit. And then greased our round pan. So usually they use the loaf pan for the banana bread, but I prefer
The circle.
kaning circle kay wala lang, mara siya cake. Make sure na naabot sa lalong.
I think it's mixed already.
Hindi naman good sa ilalim. Okay. So very kuan siya na better siya kung your banana is
Pour it.
very, very kuan.
Hinog kaayo.
Super ripe.
Yeah, kay baon ng mga Bisaya na hinog kaayo. In English, overripe.
Overripe. Very ripe. Our Tagalog is baroque and our English is just getting by.
English is not that good. Tagalog is not that good. Kay gahi og dila pero Bisaya ay abti kaayo.
My tongue is a little
Mga ludabi.
Ano say ludabi?
Ha?
Ano say ludabi?
I forget the meaning.
Oh my gosh.
Luma, I don't know. I'll search it ludabi.
Okay.
And we'll be right back. We'll put it in the oven. For how many minutes?
For 45 minutes.
45 minutes. See you in 45 minutes.
After 45 minutes in the oven. Took the banana cake out and cool it off in the wire rack for 10 minutes, and then now it's here in this plate, and we can slice. It's not warm, it's not hot anymore, so we can slice it.
Yeah, slice it.
Okay.
Ganda na plato mo. Parang milyonarya yan ah.
I got it from garage sale, Foster City wide garage sale.
Ito na yung resulta.
Oh yes.
Ano? Next time we can put nuts like peanuts, huh?
You don't like those, that's why I don't put.
Okay.
You want?
No. Just thinking about it.
Like chocolate chips?
Ikotin mo. Sige. Good job. Wow, sarap.
More?
There. There you go. That's the cut. And I want a coffee now with banana
Okay.
cake. Thank you, bossing.
You're welcome.
I hope you have a good
So
day.
we should move
'cause
it that way.
we're having a
Sorry.
good day.
Wow. Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from little Yas to each of you. Content creator.